Some mornings I feel guilty for reading, as if slowing down is something I must earn. I feel guilty for walking with Lucy. Instead of diving straight into work. And yet, I never feel proud after a long conference call that leaves me numb. Why do we say, when I have time, I will? As if time is something that will one day tap us on the shoulder and politely announce, I'm here now. We talk about, remember that time when? But rarely do we say, this right now. This is a time worth remembering. Why don't I feel accomplished when I'm simply watching my horses sort out who's in charge? Why do I feel pride only when I'm busy? Isn't it something how we've been taught to trade our hours for significance, only to discover we've spent much of our lives trying to justify how we spent our time? When I was 8, my father gave me a watch. He said, a poor man values things. A rich man values time. It took me decades to understand. He wasn't giving me a way to measure time. He was giving me permission to use it well. And now I wonder, why do I feel guilt for doing what makes me feel alive and pride? For the things that never did. Maybe life isn't meant to be maximized. Maybe it's meant to be noticed. Happiness isn't something you find. It's something you notice.